Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Joseph over at Guerrilla Hydroponics in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. I got a couple items for us today. The one I wanted to look at is going to be the BlueLab pH pen. If we go ahead and pop this guy open, we're going to find the pen itself as well as a couple of packets of calibration solutions. The pen itself is pretty simple. It's going to be just the unit itself with the cap included. The calibration solutions we're going to have, though, are going to be the 7.0 as well as the 4.0 calibration solution. And then we've also got a pack of KCl solution. It's good stuff. So if we look at the pen itself, you can see it's pretty basic. It's got an on-off switch as well as calibration. On one side you've got the glass bulb from the actual probe, as well as the other side, which is a temperature probe. Now as soon as we try to turn this guy on, it is going to try to start taking a reading. What it's going to do is actually interact with the storage solution, but we want to see how it responds to water, so let's go get some of that. Now these do have an expiration. The 7 and the 4 both go bad after a couple of months, so you definitely want to make sure that you keep those fresh. Now as soon as we dunk this into the water here, we'll see that there's not much change, but as soon as I start to swirl it, that number starts to go up. This is mostly because the storage solution is coming off. Once you do get that off, you'll notice the numbers start to go back down. Now we're just going to go ahead and give it a quick calibration. This pen is going to use the 7. I'm going to go ahead and get both just in case it's set to the 4 setting. And after that we're ready to dunk the pen. So once you get into the solution and the probe is submerged, go ahead and hold the calibration button. It's going to go right into calibrating, and this one is attempting to read the 7. So we're going to let it do its job, and once it's done, the numbers should stop flashing. After that, we're going to go ahead and top up with KCl solution. We just want to make sure that this little sponge in here is nice and soaked. Right there you can see how there's plenty of liquid in this probe. If that ever does dry out, what you want to do is give it 24 hours soak in the KCl solution. That will recharge the probe and it will work again. These things are nearly indestructible from BlueLab themselves. If there is anything that ever happens to yours though, we're happy to take a look at it. So bring it on in to me and I'll do a test for it. Have a good one.